Do you ever feel like you have been creating for years, improving your skills, showing up consistently, and still feel unseen? Do you feel like no matter how much effort you put in, people just don't notice your work? If this feeling of invisibility hurts, this video is for you. This pain runs very deep for artists. You don't want just likes or applause. You want recognition for your effort, respect for your skill, and reassurance that your work matters. When that doesn't come, self-doubt slowly starts growing. Many artists silently wonder if they are doing something wrong. They think maybe their art is not good enough, or maybe they started very late, or maybe there is too much of competition. These thoughts slowly reduce confidence and motivation. And over time, passion begins to feel very heavy. Let me tell you something important. Being invisible does not mean you lack talent. It often means you lack positioning. When people don't understand what you do or who you help, they often overlook your work. Shall we reframe this gently? Visibility is not about shouting louder. It's about clarity. When your message is clear, the right people start noticing you. Confusion hides talent more than lack of skill ever does. Most artists focus only on creating better art. While growth in skill definitely matters, it is not enough on its own. If people don't know why your art matters to them, they won't connect. Connection creates visibility. When you learn how to communicate your journey, your purpose, and your value, attention shifts naturally. You stop feeling ignored because people finally understand you, and this understanding builds a lot of trust. Empowerment begins when you stop waiting to be discovered. Artists are not discovered, they are positioned. When you position yourself clearly, opportunities start finding you. You don't have to chase them. And this shift changes everything in your art and business. You don't need to change your art style to be seen. You don't need to become loud or fake. You need alignment between your art, your story, and your audience. Authentic clarity attracts attention. When artists build visibility with intention, confidence increases. You stop questioning your worth. You start showing up with certainty. And that inner shift reflects outwardly. Imagine sharing your art knowing exactly who it is for. Imagine feeling confident talking about your work. Imagine being seen for the depth you bring, not just the visuals. That visibility is possible. Most artists wait silently for recognition. They hope someday someone will notice them. Days pass, months pass, years pass, and frustration builds quietly. This is not lack of effort, it is only lack of guidance and mentorship. You deserve to be seen for your work and your journey. You deserve recognition without begging for attention. You deserve confidence instead of constant doubt. And you deserve clarity around your voice. If this video made you realize why invisibility happens, that awareness is very powerful. Visibility starts with understanding first. If you are ready to stop feeling invisible and start building meaningful visibility, comment art business below. That one step can change how the world will see your art. Thank you.